How do you make a notch cut? Check this out. So we need a piece of wood right here to fit around that pipe. How do you do it? It's actually a little bit more simple than you think. You don't want to overthink these things. Got my piece of wood, and I'll flush it up against this lower piece. And then I'm just gonna make 3 marks. One for this depth, one for this depth, and then one for this depth. If I come out square from right about there, that's how deep you wanna go, but obviously not right to the edge. So then we'll flush this up against the back wall, and then we'll make a mark where this is, and a mark where this is. Now this is the fun part. Check this out. So this one, we're just gonna line it out over here into the middle. About like that, and then you just draw yourself a little circle. Now, whenever I'm doing a notch, unless it has to be perfect, I'll usually go a little bit outside of that, and it ends up working okay. But basically, you just need 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, and you're set to go. Let's go cut this baby. Let's take this smiley face somewhere else. So I shouldn't have been smiling until I knew that it fit. And you can see that my mark was way too big. Not to worry. What I'll do to make this thing not look so ridiculous. And that did not work at all. I did pretty good on this side. That's what happens. When you turn on the camera to tell somebody how to do it, you usually do it wrong yourself. So, whoops. What we'll do is we'll just cut that out right there. And then it'll look like it was meant to be because they'll match. Perfect. Cool, check that out. We got a pipe in our deck. Pretty sweet. This thing's coming along. Whew. A little tuckered out, but we're making progress.